of Mechanical Engineering of two credit subject AMB 101B, AMB 201B. Their course objective is to develop and understand the engineering mechanics, force system, equivalent friction and principle of motion. To introduce stress strain behavior, beam loading, strain, instrument and mechanical testing of material. To impart fundamental knowledge of fluid properties, fluid statics, continuity and Bernoulli principle. To develop an understanding of thermodynamics law, process and air standard industrial internal combustion engine cycle. To familiarize students with engineering material and fundamental casting, forming powder metallurgy and joining process. This is the course objective. This is the course objective. Now proceed from unit 1. Unit 1 is engineering mechanics. In engineering mechanics, we have basic concept, system of force, free body diagram, equilibrium equation, law of force, moment and their application, friction and its application, Newton's second law of motion, D'Alembert principle. D'Alembert principle is very important for every semester. For unit 2, mechanics of solid. Strain and strain, elastic constant, Poisson ratio, shear force and bending moment diagram. Strain gauge and roasted testing of material with universal testing machine, testing of hardness and impact strength. This is all about of unit 2. Now proceed to unit 3. In unit 3 have fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics we have used in fluid. Fluid properties, fluid statics, force on some merged bodies, stability of floating bodies, fluid acceleration, differentiation equation of continuity, Bernoulli equation. Now proceed from unit 4. Thermodynamics, thermodynamic system and process, zeroth and first law of thermodynamics equation, calculation of work and heat in various process, second law of thermodynamics, internal combustion engine, air standard or diesel and dual cycle. This is all about of unit 4. Now proceed for unit 5. In unit 5 have material and manufacturing. The process of engineering materials, state strain diagram for engineering materials, casting fundamental of hot and cold working process, principle of powder metallurgy, principle of welding, brazing and soldering. This is all about of. Now proceed from course outcome of this subject of chapter unit 1. Apply principle of force, equilibrium, friction and motion in engineering mechanics problem. In unit 2, explain state strain behavior, beam loading, strain management and mechanical testing method. In unit 3, apply fluid statics, continuity and Bernoulli equation to basic fluid mechanics problem. In unit 4, apply thermodynamics law, process and air standing engine cycle and engineering system. In unit 5, have explained engineering materials, properties and fundamental manufacturing and joining process. This is all about of this subject.